Alright, YouTubers, gonna make a pork tenderloin in the NuWave Mini. Haven't used it in a while, but this is teriyaki. Let's set it up. So, okay, I'm gonna put aluminum foil down on the bottom just to make cleanup easier. Spray some Pam on it to also make cleanup easier. I'm gonna get this sucker out. It is mostly frozen. You can cook these from dead frozen to thawed, whatever you want. In the NuWave Mini. That's the beauty of the NuWave Mini. Oh, paper towel to clean my hands. We get out the handy dandy sheet. And it says pork tenderloins, 10 to 12 minutes aside. From fresh, 20 minutes from frozen. So, I'm gonna do 20 minutes. Then we'll flip it and we'll cook it for 20 more. There you go, you can see it. 20 minutes. And away it goes. That's cooking. I'm out of fresh vegetables. I might get some tomorrow. I might be back to the States when I do. I have some boxed rice and stuff like that. And I also got a couple cans of vegetables. So might just be a can of corn or a can of green beans or something to go with it. But we'll let that cook. Timing, huh? We're going to flip it. And we're going to do about 25 minutes now. Cook time. 25, start. Cooking is so hard. It's got about 11 minutes to go and it's getting a good crust on it. But I like that. Alright, we're within a minute. I cut the top off the golden corn and that's going to get nucleated. This place smells awesome. Alright, there we go. Now I'll just let it rest for a little bit. I happen to like little chars of stuff. If you don't, then I would recommend don't do this. I'm just gonna give it, I'm gonna give it like 3 more minutes on that side. Okay? Because that's what I want to do. Alright, we're closing in. Again with the rest. Give the corn give a minute in the microwave. I just put some Creole seasoning on it because it covers everything to me. Alright, so what we're going to do now, this is 2 meals. So I'm going to cut it. Show it to you. There we go. I'm going to put it on a plate.
It's quick and easy and stays juicy. Oh man, that's pretty good. Gonna have some of the corn, and the corn, you know, just light seasoning, and it turned out fine as well. I'm still a big fan of the NuWave ovens, and the Mini is great for RVing.
Over. Boom. Have a great and wonderful day.